What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to get a 2022 Nissan Pathfinder started if the key fob dies. And then at the end of the video, we'll also take a look at how to turn the Pathfinder off, which is just slightly different with a dead key fob. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the Pathfinder as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying place the key near the start switch. So what we're going to do is just take our key fob and just touch it right to the stop start button, and you'll hear a beep, and then the message on the dash will change to this, and now we can start the vehicle as normal. So brake, stop start button, and now you'll be ready to drive as normal. In order to turn the Pathfinder off with the dead key fob, if you come over here and just press the stop start button, it's not going to work. What you need to do is press and hold it down for a few seconds. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.